Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Edge Media. My name is Jamie Livingston. I shall be your very host for today. Ensure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share as well. Now let's join our very own instructor in class for today's training.
All right, you're welcome back. Yes, so I have been able to animate some of those pictures. All right, and yes, with the use of Grok, like we all started it together. All right, so these are some of the videos. Okay, pictures animated to video. All right, so the next thing we have to do now is to go use Suno, all right, to convert our text to song. All right, so after we might have done that, and then we can now match the video and the voice together, and then make the character lip sync the audio. All right, and at the end of the day, we now use our editing app, okay, to put everything together and make it look more presentable. All right, so that is that. So we're back on ChatGPT. All right, ChatGPT has initially generated the song. Okay, so let's just copy all that ChatGPT has generated. Okay, so the title of the song is prayer theme. Okay, so don't forget, so that once we get to Suno will ask for the title of the song. Okay, so copy everything just the way it's been stated here. Okay, and that is what we're going to give Suno. So we're going to go to our browser. Okay, and let's check for Suno. All right, I hold on while I check for it. Okay, so this is Suno. Okay, they usually have the simple and custom. So what we are working on is the custom. Okay, so we want to do everything all by ourselves. So just go to where you have lyrics and paste your lyrics there. Okay, don't change anything there, just drop it there the way it is. Okay, so all right, so and then you go to style. Okay, so let's say hip hop. Okay, so hip hop, and then you also need to specify. All right, specify if it is a male or female. Okay, so the song actually is meant for a female. All right, female, you can put female voice, and then you say hip hop. Okay, and then the song title. Okay, this is advanced option. Meant for female. Okay, so I think that is that there. And then song title, give it prayer. It's prayer theme, right? Prayer theme. Okay, so I think that's all we need there. Okay, so just popping up. So once that is done, then you want it to, of course, it's going to save to your workspace. Okay, so once that is done, you can hit on create. Okay, and yes, it has started. All right, so let's wait for it. Don't go away, we'll be right back. Let's wait for Suno to generate the song. Yeah, sorry, there was a mistake. You remember we said the character is a rapping artist, is a rapper. So our genre should be rap. Okay, to rap. So maybe you can add a hip hop. Okay, but the main focus is rap. Okay, and then at the beginning of it, female voice. All right, female voice, then it goes on and on. So we can add something to it. Okay, want it to be powerful. Okay, no, backing vocalist, much speed. Okay, I don't need all this one. Yeah, we said hip hop. All right, so I think let's leave it that way, and then advanced, we said that it should be a female. Okay, and then the song is prayer theme. So let's say prayer theme remix. Okay, so because the other one is done converting. Okay, so and we named it prayer theme, so let's make this one different. Okay, so that is that. So once that is done, then we can go hit generate. Okay, so let's wait for Suno while it get the song ready. Don't go anywhere. All right, you're welcome back. If you're still with me, the song is already done. All right, yes, but in this case, because I'm using my mobile phone for this training, we may not be able to use the song. Okay, but meanwhile I'm going to play one of it. You can see the first two, they said upgrade for full song, so it's a premium one. All right, those first two are premium, but then we have the free one that we just created. Okay, so let me just let me play one of them. Okay, now the reason why I said we can't use it, you just listen to it, but I wouldn't be able to use this because I am going to use the next app I'm going to use the next AI tool I'm going to use is Dreamface. And using Dreamface, you know that the only duration of audio sound permitted when you want to lip sync on Dreamface is 30 seconds. Okay, and this song is for 2 minutes, 2 minutes 6 seconds. So which means I have to break down the song into 30 seconds fraction or part. Okay, so that I can be able to to lip sync it with the video. All right, but nevertheless we are going to use a song that I created before, the first video you watched of that female rapper rapping. So that song that she rapped or she performed, so we're going to use that. All right, yeah, if you're still with me, now Suno is done creating a song, but we wouldn't be able to use it because it's a 2 minutes and some seconds songs, which means because of the length of it, we can't lip sync it with our animated video. So but nevertheless I'll play you the song so you can listen to it. Talk to him before I talk to the world. Okay, so that's just the song. Okay, let's not prolong it. So what I'm going to do now is I have another song that, like the first video you watched. Okay, I have an audio. Okay, an audio of that song that I have been able to worked on. Okay, and the reason why I said we can't use this song is because I would have to split it into 30 seconds because of the next AI tool that I will be using, which is called Dreamface. So Dreamface only allow 30 seconds audio that we can lip sync with our animated video. All right, so and to be able to do that I will need to get that done using a CapCut on my PC, on my computer. Okay, but because we're not using computer right now, the phone is what we're using, so we wouldn't be able to use that. And that's the reason why I said the other song that I played earlier on, so we're going to be using that audio. Okay, because that has already been prepared in 30 seconds portion. All right, or parts. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done. Yeah, So welcome back. Yes, like I said earlier on, that the next AI tool we'll be using is called Dreamface. Okay, and as a result, we can use this other song that we just prepared. Okay, but I promise you that once that is done, okay, I am going to still post the song, okay, on my YouTube channel when I eventually might have been able to split it into 30 seconds using my PC, okay, to split it into 30 seconds portion, okay, and then I will lip sync the audio together with the animated video, and I'll definitely paste it as a short on my YouTube channel, so you can always go for it, okay, and watch it later on. But let's go ahead and use the one I said we had prepared before. Okay, so we're going to click on photo lips video lip sync. Okay, so,
I am a Dreamface digital app.
Let's go ahead and select avatar. Alright, so we're going to do the other one. Alright, so let's quickly go and make another one. So just click on refresh to take you back, and then yeah, we're going to be using this one. Okay, let's use this particular one, and then let's go select the voice. All right, so select the voice. Okay, this will be okay. All right, so click on confirm. All right, and then we'll click on animate. Okay, click on animate, then wait while it loads up. All right, while this is ongoing, I want to say that aside the Dreamface, there are other AI tool that you can use for lip syncing. Okay, if you don't have access to Dreamface, that's no problem. You can go online, go on using your browser, and go type lip sync video. Okay, so that is going to pop up. All right, so and then you can write there online. You can go ahead and lip sync your video. All right, but to do that, you have to register on a lip sync video platform. Register with them, and once you register, they are going to automatically give you, I think, 300 credits, and with that 300 credits, you can lip sync your video. But then if you are interested in me giving you this Dreamface Pro version, which I'm using, you can just leave a comment below, and I'll do so. All right, so let's check. So this is the second one.
Sleeping with dreams, hunger
Okay.
knocking at the door. Now the mic hear my truth, every word got weight. I ain't rushed success,
this is
had
it.
to trust my fate.
All right.
Enemies
So
smile,
we'll
but
go
they
ahead
hearts
and
be
download it
fake.
too.
I move with God, let him
Okay.
handle the hate. If I fall,
So we're going to do one more. I think we can have, okay, maybe one or two more. We have one for chorus, and then yeah. So let's just do one more. All right. So let me select another one. Give me a second. All right. So I've been able to select another one and added the chorus. Okay. So let me go ahead and animate. All right. So let's wait for it. All right, so this is the third one. That's the chorus. I've been able to do that as well. All right, so we'll go ahead and download it also, and then the last thing we're going to do is to go look for an editing app. All right, we're going to look for an editing app and have everything edited, combined and edited together. So we're going to use CapCut. Okay, then we'll go to new video. Okay, so let's select all the video that we had just made. Okay, right, okay, okay. So these are everything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to edit everything together. Okay, so once I'm done editing it, and it will then give you, and I will then show you the outcome. Okay, so the outcome will be the last thing that we will be watching. All right, but with this, I want to say that we'll come to the end of the training. All right, so once I'm done, with the closing remark, I will then go ahead and we'll watch the result together. Okay, so these are just the step by step way by which we can create AI character singing a song. Okay, and then we can do that with the use of some AI tools, like as you can see from the beginning when we started all through to the end. And you can see how inspiring and interesting, innovative, and how creative this is. So you can actually make this as a niche for yourself, and go ahead and create so many AI songs using AI characters, performing the song in whatever genre or style you want. Okay, so with this we'll be wrapping it up for today. And like as I always say, the only way you can pay us back is by subscribing, liking, sharing what we bring to you on and bring something new to you, and then also toggling on your bell notifications so that you'll be receiving upcoming tutorials that we will be dropping here on this platform. And until I come your way again, I remain a very instructor, and have a wonderful one. Bye for now. Alright, so the next thing you will be watching after now is the result of what we have done today. Alright, so thank you for being part of today's training. Bye for now.
Yeah. Came from nights where the lights wouldn't stay on. Praying hard, asking God what I gotta wait on. Pressure on my chest, but I breathe through the pain. Every loss taught a lesson, every scar left a name. Mama said stand tall even when they doubt you. World cold, gotta move how the wolves move around you. I ain't perfect, but my heart been pure. Had to talk to God, cause the streets ain't sure. Thankful for the days I survived. Thankful I can still look up and cry. They counted me out, I counted my prayers. Still standing strong, yeah, I'm right here. Yeah, I don't flex just to flex, I remember the floor. Sleeping with dreams, hunger knocking at the door. Now the mic hear my truth, every word got weight. I ain't rushed success, had to trust my fate. Enemies smile, but they hearts be fake. I move with God, let him handle the hate. If I fall, I get up, no shame in my stride. Faith on my tongue, yeah, I walk with pride. Thankful for the days I survived. Thankful I can still look up and cry. They counted me out, I counted my prayers. Still standing strong, yeah, I'm right here. Yeah.
Welcome back from the training. Hope you had a wonderful training session. If this platform has been of great help today, please like, subscribe, and share. Ensure to hit that bell as to notify you for upcoming tutorials. Bye for now.